Ice what? Whoa, whoa, baby, poke it out, poke it out, poke it out, baby, poke it out.
New month, new skincare routine. I have not been sponsored by AcneFree, but if these products work, AcneFree, holla at your girl. I've been looking for an exfoliating scrub for a really long time, and this scrub by AcneFree contains 2% salicylic acid, charcoal, and jojoba. So basically all the acne fighting goods.
Yep. Yo, now, how is it not open? This thing is tight, empty though. Oh, it's exfoliating nice.
She woke up like this. So now it's my sister Zara's turn to use the face wash. But I guess she's channeling her inner Beyonce. Anywho, remember that we're specifically focusing here. I have really oily skin, so when I saw the words mattifying and shine control, I was sold.
Can you feel this? Oh yeah, that's real nice. That's how my face felt too. It's like a baby. Ew.
Any day now.